I'll start this video by saying that as a cameraman, this review is primarily from a filming review point of view and not overtly technical, really. This is a review of the Freewell Wide Angle Lens, 18mm. Compatible with the Osmo Pocket, and I'm actually using it at the moment. I'll take it off shortly and you'll be able to see the difference. You can see the reflection here of me. There I am in here. There's a lot of wide-angle lenses for the Osmo Pocket on the market. This one's $34.99 currently. That's May 2020. It comes with this little case which magnetically snaps shut, which you really do need. And you can keep it in here. There's a few spaces in here for other ones, should you need a few of them. I did a lot of research about getting the wide-angle lens for the Osmo Pocket because the standard lens isn't very wide at all. This was the one that I found, and it's a #1 bestseller on Amazon. I've been using it in television quite a bit and for corporate work, and it does make a massive difference. So as I said, I'm using it at the moment, so I'm now going to take it off and you'll be able to see the difference. So if I hold still on this, there you go. So if I move that into the middle of the shot, and focus, and there you go. Without, it's just magnetic. It's very hard to film and shoot at the same time. I'll show some shots of this because it's quite a tricky thing to try and show you. I'll take it off and show you how tiny it is, but it's definitely worth buying. Keep it in here. It fits snugly in there, in the little case provided, and snap shut. Keep it with your kit, but definitely one to get.